Got the Theragun G3 Pro here to unbox. So this is a percussive massager. It's not like your traditional massager that is more of the vibration type. This has a amplitude that pumps to massage your muscles, so that moves in and out rather than just a vibration, and it moves in and out 16 millimeters. So we'll just have a quick look at the back here. It says it's for pain, fitness, wellness. In this is the highest model, so the Pro's the top of the Theragun range. You've got the G3 Pro at the moment, and then you've got the G3, and then under that you've got the Live. So the Live's the cheapest of the range. This one comes with a 2-year warranty, whereas all the others come with a 1-year warranty. And this one comes with the most attachments, a carry case and its attachment pouch. And the benefit this one has over the other two is that it has 2 lithium-ion batteries in it, and this head has an adjustable arm, so it moves from about there to there, so you can get more of a range of motion when you're trying to massage yourself. And the Live and the G3 only come with an internal battery that can't be removed, and it lasts 60 minutes, whereas this one lasts 75 minutes per battery. So you can go for quite a long time. So we'll just get this open, if I can get through that seal. There we go. Quite a large box. That out eventually. So that comes with a nice grey carry pouch. Now that's the same size as the carry pouch for the G3 and the Live as well. It's just got a different coating on it, which is a bit nice. Now in the box, so in here, this will be your attachment pouch, and you can see all your attachments are in there. So you've got the wedge, I think that's the small ball, and the very large ball. The other attachments must be inside the Theragun box. And under here you've got your battery charger to stand the batteries up into charge, and we've also got the power pack to run that, and the lid. So the batteries and everything must be in the bag here. And this is just a bit of that's just the founder, his story, brief instruction manual, and to tell you they've got an app, so you can jump on the App Store, and both on the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store, and download their app, and it gives you some guides on where to massage for what part of your body and for how long. We'll chuck that in there. We'll get to the massage gun itself now. There's a bit of foam sitting in there, stop everything moving around. Okay, there you go. So there's the massage gun. It's got a very nice finish to it. It's quite grippy, so it doesn't slip out of your hands. And of course, they've got the triangle based system, so you can hold it there, like that, upside down, whatever you want. That's the slot for the battery. And then to move the head, you have to push in on this button here in the middle of the blue thing, and it's quite hard to turn. And it's got little notches to lock in at all different angles. So it locks in at 3 different angles there, and, oh no, 4, sorry, there as well. And then down like that. So that, I think that position there, yeah, that position all the way down is how all the other Theraguns come fixed, so that they don't move like this one. Put that back in there. get one of the batteries out just to have a look at. They're quite big. So that just goes in like that and clicks in. Awesome. So that's the Theragun. I don't think there's anything else really in here. Designed to hold the world travel charger, yep. So you can put your charger in there for traveling. And yeah, the attachments are, I'll just go through them again for you. So that's a large ball. Oh, you've also got the thumb in there, which I didn't see in there before. Thumb. The wedge. Oh, there we go. There's the cone. And the small ball. Standard ball, sorry. So large ball, standard ball. The one that comes on the gun is the dampener, so it's quite soft. And to get those off, you just pull straight off like that, and then you can just attach your next one on. They just clip in like that. So yeah, I'll give it a bit of a go and do a review on how I like it. Thanks for watching, guys.